Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use the same WhatsApp on two phones. First thing first, make sure WhatsApp is installed and active on your main phone. If you already use WhatsApp on this device, skip this step. Now on your second phone, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp and install it. If WhatsApp is already installed, uninstall and reinstall it to start fresh. Now launch the WhatsApp app on the secondary phone and choose your preferred language, then tap Agree and Condition. Now when asked to enter your phone number, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Link a device. A QR code will now appear on your secondary phone screen. On your primary phone, open WhatsApp, link to devices, then link a device, and use the camera to scan the QR code shown on your secondary device. Wait a few seconds, then your message will sync automatically. You can now use WhatsApp on both devices at the same time. Messages, calls, and chats stay synced and secure. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.